Video product review of the Makita B05041 orbital sander. Got it down on the ground over there. I just did a video of this, and I did a video of the loop sanding pieces. So what I'm going to do now, I built this birdhouse, sanded by hand, but it's still kind of rough. So I'm going to use this. This is my first time using an orbital sander, and I'm going to see what I think of it. I did sand this by hand. My fingers were killing me. My hands were cramped up from doing 4 different birdhouses. So the idea of this video is to see, was this money well spent? Do I get a better sand job by using an orbital sander in less time than using my hands and killing my fingers doing it by hand? So we're going to set it up now and test it out. There will be links in the video description, obviously, if you want to purchase the sand pieces or the sander. So here we go. We're using number 600 grit paper. I've got the sandbag on here. I'll let you know what I think of the noise, and it's a variable speed. That was the most important thing for me. And I like this better than the other ones where you have to hold it this way. I just think it looked, I tried it at the store, very uncomfortable. So this, I like the handle. Let's put this on low. You can barely hear it. Fast, you can definitely hear it. So let's see what happens. Here we go, people. Definitely kind of rough all over the place. Does this have a lock? I'm looking to see if it has a lock. You got a button over here. You got a button so you can lock it in. My first time using an orbital sander, so I don't know what to expect. Again, this is like 200 and some grit. Probably not enough. Let's see what we get. Paper is not really on there secure. I think I want to put this on higher speed. What I noticed is I was pressing the bag into the material. So let's see what we've got. I can notice a difference. I should probably have stronger grit paper, and that's what we're going to do. I can tell you right now, I love it. It's smoother. I don't have a strong enough grit on here, but this is smoother. The edges I'm able to, well, it's a little rough there. I'm able to do what I need to do without killing my fingers and pressing into the material with sand, paper. So this is really rough. I want to do this and then I'll end the video. Let's see what we can get. This is extremely rough. So we can see over here, I've almost removed all of the rough grain. If I had a better, higher grit sandpaper on here, this would be done already. The edges smooth within seconds. This is still very rough. So this thing is definitely worth the money. I think it was like $80-some. The sanding pads are really not that expensive. You could probably buy about 70 of them for $15, $10. Different size grits, definitely worth the price, especially if your hands get tight or sore, or your fingers have arthritis in them, or you're an older person or a younger person who has problems with your fingers. spend the money. You'll be happy.